Is Samsung Android or iOS? Samsung smartphones run Android, with a twist. Nearly all of Samsung smartphones known as being powered by Samsung use the stock Android operating system, however with a Samsung interface operating excessive. This extra Samsung software program usually provides options and alter design parts not but out there on the inventory Android working system, whereas nonetheless supporting the entire major Android performance customers anticipate. Is Samsung Android? Most Samsung branded smartphones run some model of the common Android working system with further Samsung design parts and options added on high. Technically, Samsung isn't Android. However, many individuals and publications confer with Samsung telephones as Android telephones just because they help Android apps and run the Android working system beneath the hood. Samsung did make home Windows cell phone smartphones. These didn't help Android and as an alternative use the home Windows cell phone or home Windows 10 cell working programs. Consider fashionable Samsung smartphones as Android smartphones with a little bit one thing further. What is Samsung One UI? Samsung One UI is an interface put in on Samsung Galaxy smartphones and tablets that modifies the Android working system. Along with altering varied menus and settings, One UI additionally includes a new aesthetic and person interface designed to cut back eye pressure and make gadgets simpler to make use of with one hand, therefore the Identify. One UI launched in 2018 on Samsung's smartphones and tablets operating Android 9 and above. It changed the earlier Samsung modified Android interface, Samsung Expertise. Samsung's TouchWiz interface preceded Samsung Expertise. Which telephones are Androids? As a result of Android working system being open supply, Android smartphones are made by all kinds of producers worldwide. Some Android smartphones are made by Google, such because the Google Pixel line of smartphones, whereas others are manufactured by Motorola, OnePlus, and Samsung. Point out of the Android working system will virtually all the time be on the product description or packaging of an Android telephone. All iPhones run Apple's iOS operating system and can't be known as Android telephones. Whereas Android-based telephones and iPhones are smartphones, that is the place their similarity ends. What are some Samsung Android telephones? In-style smartphones that run a Samsung interface over the Android working system embrace Galaxy A and Galaxy S product traces. Galaxy Note smartphones, which encourage using a stylus. Foldable Galaxy Z Flip and Galaxy Z Fold smartphones. Is Samsung an iOS or Android? Samsung One UI is an interface constructed on the Android working system. When somebody casually refers to a smartphone, smartwatch, or pill operating Samsung, they're virtually all the time referring to the Android working system operating with a Samsung designed overlay including extra options and aesthetic. There isn't a Samsung model of the iOS working system on Apple gadgets. We should always observe that Samsung manufactures tablets, laptops, and different gadgets which run non-Android working programs comparable to Windows. All the time double check the working system on a merchandise's product web page or itemizing earlier than buying. Some Samsung tablets and laptops run home Windows as an alternative of Android. Is Samsung higher than Apple? Samsung and Apple have rival merchandise in most important digital classes, so judging which firm's merchandise are finest will rely considerably on which merchandise you're after and which options are important to you. For instance, when comparing an iPhone to a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, the iPhone could also be inexpensive, however the Galaxy boasts an extra spectacular display. We will make comparable comparisons with the Apple Watch and Samsung Galaxy Watch wearables and the Samsung Pay and Apple Pay electronic payment services. The corporate ecosystem you're already in can also be an element to think about when selecting new gadgets. If in case you have a Samsung pill, it is sensible to purchase a Samsung Galaxy Watch as you'll be capable to use the identical app retailer and account that you have already got. Likewise, when you've got an iPad, Shopping for an iPhone or a Mac would make sense for a similar cause. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.